my name's Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. I'm going to take you on a tour of our 2-queen Gulf view room that we enjoyed at the Hyatt Vivid Grand Island in Cancun. It's an adult-only all-inclusive resort just minutes from the Cancun airport. It is absolutely perfect for a quick getaway. The resort's beautiful, the pools are amazing, and it even has access to a private beach club. At the end of the video, please be sure to watch our complete resort tour that we do have on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Welcome to our beautiful Gulf view room. One of the first features I'm going to show you is this amazing secret door where room service can be left for you, and when you're done with your dishes you can pop them back in there so you don't have them in the room and then there's not dishes in the hallway. Here we have our closet. Barb, Alison, and I all stayed in this room together, and they had 3 plush robes for us and slippers, as well as there is a safe to keep your valuables right here, and some additional storage, a mini fridge that is restocked daily, some delicious refreshments in there. We also have the coffee maker, some cups and different things for you to enjoy while you're here, and a bottle of wine in the wine cooler. This room was amazing. They put this middle bed in there for us since there were 3 of us staying. It was nice that we did not have to share a bed while we were here. This is an amazing adult-only all-inclusive. There was also a nice little table and chairs if you need to get some work done while you're here. And look at this amazing golf course. The other side of the resort does show the ocean, but I loved how green and gorgeous this golf course is. And when you stay at Hyatt Vivid, you do get discounted green fees. So that's just another amazing perk to staying at this resort. This resort does offer room service. It has an outstanding beach club that is just a few minute shuttle away. And here we are. I'm going to show you a little tour of the restroom here. So there's this gorgeous bathtub. I also liked that the glass was frosted and that there were different stalls for the toilet and the shower, which made it easier to share rooms with people so that you can have some privacy. This is a brand new resort and you could definitely feel it in the room. Everything feels high-end and new. It's such an amazing place to take, whether it's a couple's getaway or a friend's trip. There are so many amenities here, everything you could need, and the pools here are also amazing. We also made a resort walkthrough tour, so make sure to check that out as well. As you can see, there is this lovely sandy activity area. The pools were outstanding, especially the rooftop pool. And we do have footage of the amazing beach club in our resort tour. When you're ready to book, reach out to us at straightawaytravel.com. We don't charge any fees when you book through us, and we are here to help you every step of the way to make sure your vacation is absolutely perfect. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our full resort tour as well as all of our other videos. Have a great day.